Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
पिछले कई एपिसोड्स में मैंने बताया है कि अगर ऐसा लगे you are unable to deal with certain mental health conditions on your own, it's always the best idea to ask a mental health professional for help. I have already discussed कि psychologist और psychiatrist में क्या अंतर होता है. In today's episode, I'm going to share a few tips on how you can decide how to find a good therapist. Therapy is a slow process. मेरी तरह अगर आप भी थोड़े इम्पेशेंट टाइप के हो तो थेरेपी का प्रोसेस आपको काफ़ी स्लो लग सकता है. In fact, because it is a gradual process, अक्सर you might also feel that it's not working out, nothing has changed, etc. So ऐसे में what can you do? जब आप थेरेपी स्टार्ट करते हो आपके दिमाग में सवाल आ सकता है कि what's supposed to happen? What should you say to friends and family when they ask you questions? How do you know if you're seeing the right therapist? And how do you make the most out of your therapeutic counseling anyway? First things first, ये therapy काम कैसे करता है and how do therapists work? It's common to feel nervous about therapy before starting. A therapist's job is to work through that feeling with you. When you and your therapist are a good match, you'll develop what therapists refer to as therapeutic relationship. You should feel comfortable with your therapist. The more honest you can be, the better therapy will work. अगर आप झूठ बोलोगे, you're only delaying your healing process. If you haven't seen a therapist before, it can be overwhelming to figure out where to start. इस एपिसोड में I've come up with a simple timeline of how therapy sessions work. It covers how to choose a therapist and what your first session may be like. Number one, think about what you want to get out of therapy. ये थोड़ा सा obvious सवाल लग सकता है, but it will also be one of the first questions most therapists will ask you. Do you have relationships issues? Do you have relationship issues you want to work on? Or are you more concerned with a specific family member or a trauma from childhood? Do you want to feel less anxious? Or are you suffering from severe panic attacks and want to learn healthy coping skills? Whatever your goal is, narrowing in on it will help you and your therapist get to work. And don't worry, that goal can change and evolve over time. It's just a good starting place. Make a short list of therapists you're interested in. There are many different types of therapy and therapists. If you haven't chosen a therapist yet, here's what might help. If you know someone who's already taking therapy, you could ask if he or she could share a bit of a review. There are apps and websites that list qualifications, fees, etc. of counselors and also list areas of expertise and experience. आप हॉस्पिटल्स या ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जो मेंटल हेल्थ पे काम करते हैं की भी मदद ले सकते हैं. You can also make a list of questions to ask about maybe political inclinations or even based on who you are more comfortable with in terms of a male or female counselor. No amount of questions are too many when you're trying to find a counselor that can help you the most. However, सबसे best तरीका to find a counselor जो आपके needs को suit करे is by setting up or scheduling consultations. कभी कभी एक बार में शायद you do not find the best therapist for you. So don't give up. It's okay. This is about your mental well-being. Give it time. Schedule consultations. The point of the consultation is to determine if you are a good match for each other. Do they have the expertise you need for your specific issue? Do you feel comfortable speaking to them? Are they a good listener? Once someone feels like they might be a good fit, schedule your first appointment with your new therapist. Go to your first appointment with an open mind. पहला सेशन काफ़ी awkward हो सकता है. मेरे केस में it was a voice call session because मुझे बहुत अजीब लग रहा था to get on a video call and start talking about very, very intimate details about my life. But this is okay. The therapy session, the therapy relationship is a different dynamic than you've experienced before. Treat this as an opportunity for open-mindedness. This session is about laying the groundwork, getting to know each other, and beginning to make a plan. Don't be surprised if you experience unexpectedly raw emotions. Many people cry in their first session just at the sheer relief of having someone to talk to. Let it out. That's what therapy is for. I cried a lot too. It is okay. Therapists apply different processes with patients. Some let a patient unload themselves through many sessions in order to let the subconscious reveal itself. That's how they work through the knots. Others use a more structured frame and give activities to patients. Talk about your next session. Depending on how many therapy sessions you intend to have, whether short term or long term, it's practical to discuss what to expect from the next session. Your therapist may have specific areas they want you to report back on or exercises they would like you to try. मेरे केस में I had decided that I'll take therapy for a year at least, and that helped figure कौन सी एरिया पे फोकस करना है, and roughly एक टाइमलाइन बन जाता है. Therapy should be a safe environment. अगर आपको ऐसा ना फील हो, you are under no obligation to continue with that therapist so long as services rendered are paid for. Be prepared for your next session. स्कूल में होमवर्क याद है? Well, for effective therapy, होमवर्क ज़रूरी होता है. You might think that what happens during therapy hour stays in therapy hour. But for therapy to actually work, you'll need to be doing work between the sessions. Keep the dialogue open. You and your therapist may set a goal in your first session about when you'd like to have your final session, or you may keep it open-ended. The important thing to remember is that this is a client service and आप इसके लिए pay कर रहे हो. If at any point you feel uncomfortable or have questions about your therapy, it is perfectly okay to ask them. माइंड ओवर मैटर के अगले एपिसोड में मैं बात करूंगी हाउ टू गेट द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ थेरेपी. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक और शेयर करें और हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. हमें हमारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स पर भी फॉलो करें. थैंक यू.